Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another YouTube video. This one is going to be the most interesting one. Basically why people fail in the Forex market. Okay, so this is something I really wanted to cover because most of us have the wrong idea about it. And before you even get started, before you even try to do new things, let's just get this right into your mindset. So let's get straight into it. Why you always lose in a Forex market. Okay, as simply as I can put it, is because your beliefs about the market are wrong. All right. So what do I mean by this? So we think that we have to be right to make money. Like we got to know what the market's going to do. We have to try to get the right way. And if we're wrong, then we lose money. But if we're right, we make money. Not even close to it. Okay. We actually, no one really knows what the market's going to do. We simply follow a strategy and we go with it. We could be right 100% of the time in terms of we could have the exact same setup. Okay. Exact same strategy and do it. And it will look perfectly the same, but we lose. So it's not about being right or wrong. We could still be right and we could still lose. That's the wrong belief to have. People believe you need to find a winning strategy in order to get paid. That is correct, but a winning strategy also loses. You're not gonna not lose. Okay, it's both. You're gonna win and you're gonna lose. There's no such thing as a winning strategy, especially 100% one. There could be 30% win, 40% win, 50% win strategy. But a winning strategy is also a losing strategy. And the biggest one really is the wrong belief is that Forex is a game of money. Forex is not even close to a game of money. You shouldn't be chasing the money. You shouldn't be chasing the losses. You shouldn't be chasing the wins or the profits. Forex is a game of probabilities, okay? But the biggest wrong belief almost everyone has is that a good Forex strategy is what makes you money. Not even close to it, okay? So these are just some beliefs that I, as a beginner, a couple years ago believed, okay, because this is what the social media pretty much tells us, but these are wrong beliefs, okay? So the biggest one everyone believes is that a good Forex strategy is what makes you money. Let me explain to you why this is wrong, okay? So I just done a really basic trading strategy. 5 steps. You follow the trend, uptrend or downtrend. You wait for a pullback to a level. If it's a support in an uptrend and a resistance in the downtrend, so SNU, R&D. You wait for candlestick confirmation at a level, weak rejection, whatever. Go for 1 to 3, stop loss below structure. Simple, nothing complicated, all right? Now, over 30 trades, okay, these are all the wins and losses over 30 trades. Let's say we won 11 and lost 19. So it gives us a 36% win rate, which is not really a good win rate when you think about it, because if you want to win in strategy, we want to win 80% of the time. We want to win, every second, every third trade. But this situation, we only want 36% of the time. All right. Now, if we're going to go for a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, okay, in this trading strategy, it means that we're going to lose 19 trades. It's going to cost us 19%. But those 11 wins we had will cost us 33% gain. So overall, this simple strategy is giving us a 14% gain. Okay, 36% win rate. So if you take 10 trades, you're literally winning 3 out of 10, or 3.5, a bit more out of 10. So in 2 weeks, if you've taken a trade a day for 2 weeks, 10 trades, you've only won 3 days. So you're literally a loser. You're not even a winner at this stage. You're a loser Forex trader, but you're making money. Forex is not about trying to be right or wrong. It's not even about money. It's about probabilities. Okay, just understand that for a second, okay? This simple strategy is giving you 14%. So why do we actually lose money? So obviously, if it's not about being right or wrong, if it's quite easy, if you just, go for 1 to 3s, why do we actually lose money? The reason why we lose money is because no matter how much we believe we're following a trading strategy, we're actually trading with our own instincts and emotions. So if we just did this, if we just followed these 5 rules and we completed our trades, over 30 trades, we're going to be in a situation where most of the time, or most likely, we're going to be profitable, okay? The reason why we are not profitable, the reason why we lose money is because after 5 trades, after 10 trades max, we stop using the strategy. We change it. We extend our stop loss. We cut profits earlier. We get emotional about things. We get in too early. We don't want to be patient and stuff. So the problem is we're not following the strategy, right? So in that situation, if we lose money by not following the strategy, the problem we're having is that we're blaming the markets. We're blaming someone else who's giving me a signal. We're blaming, another strategy that someone showed me. We're not saying, okay, hang on, the strategy works, but I'm the problem because I'm the one that's not following it. Now, I can honestly put money on it that most of you guys watching this video, you've probably done maybe 10 really, really perfect, accurate trading strategies, trades according to your strategy perfect, maybe 10 trades perfect. Most of you wouldn't have done 20 perfect because 20, might be over a month. You might take 20 trades over a month And every single one of them has to be perfect to your strategy. Some of you guys have probably never done that in your life, but yet when you lose, you blame strategy, but you never really give the strategy an opportunity to make you money. In order for a strategy to give you data, in order for the data to show you if it's profitable or not, right? If the 1 to 3s work, if the win rate works, you need to at least do 30 trades. And 30 trades, perfect. Wait for those candlestick confirmations. Wait for that structure to be formed. Go for the 1 to 3s. Never close profit out early. Never touch your stop loss. How many people can actually say that they've done 30 proper trades according to your strategy? You can't. This is why we're losing money, because we're not actually trading. We're hoping to make money. We're just trusting our instincts. We're using our emotions. So some of the reasons why we lose money. Obviously, don't stick to the strategy. And every time we lose, we blame the strategy. We blame something else rather than us. We overtrade. We don't trust a system when it gives you entries. We're not confident enough. We don't have enough. We don't trust it. How can we trust a system if we haven't used it? If we haven't bulletproofed it? You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't make sense. We're given it 10 trades and, it's lost 6 out of 10 times. You still should be making money if you follow the strategy. We are overconfident when we make money. We have 2 good wins in a row. We think we're undefeatable. We close our positions early when we're up, so cutting profits. We revenge trade whenever we lose. We say bullshit. I'm going to go again. We let our losses run. We don't understand that actually losing or being a good loser is part of the reason for success. Cutting your losses to 1%, and we don't believe we could ever lose. So an ego thing too. Okay. This is why we're losing money. Not because of the strategy, but we blame it on the strategy. We use the strategy as terms of actually, why I'm not making money. Do I need a new strategy? Just that. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense because as a beginner, I understood this, okay? No one actually really showed me this. Because everyone shows you strategies and everyone shows you, how you make money, how this works and stuff. But you got to be a really good loser and you got to have a good strategy that you trust. And it doesn't have to be a good strategy. Like a 30% win rate, you saw that 36% win rate, which was a 14% gain in a month. 14% gain, in 30 trades is quite a big percentage gain. So how do we fix it? First thing to understand, as a Forex trader, okay, or as a human being, you are your only problem and you are your only solution. Okay, not your strategy, not people on YouTube, not me, not not the market wicking you out or liquidity or whatever, banks doing their stuff. The biggest problem is you. Okay. Now, in order to become a successful trader, you first need to develop the habits to become a successful person, okay? So if you need, so what are some habits of a successful person? Let's just, everyone knows this shit. It's nothing new. Patience, discipline, experience, consistency. That will make you a profitable trader, okay? But if you're not patient or disciplined in daily life, okay, so if your routine's out of whack and you're not developing that instinct as a person, right, to be patient and disciplined, how can you expect to come to the charts and adopt the mentality of a patient person and a disciplined person? It doesn't make sense. They go hand in hand. You know what I mean? If you're lazy, if you've got a really bad schedule, if you complain about everyone else, if you blame everyone else as a person, when you come to the market, you're going to do the exact same thing. It goes hand in hand. So the problem I have, because I work with a lot of students, I try to help people develop to be a good Forex trader, but most of the time what I'm doing is I'm helping you guys develop to be a better person. Because once you're a better person, you understand that the market will... your qualities will transfer onto the market. Simple as that, okay? But patience, discipline, experience, and consistency. So doing the same thing every single time, taking 30 trades that go 100% to your strategy, consistency. It's so much easier to do something right when you've always done the same thing. It makes up over time, right? So the main thing we have to understand is that you need to change your beliefs. Forex is about probabilities. It's about 1 to 3s. It's not about money. It's not about trying to get, $200. It's about risking 1% and going for percentages that cover your losses. So 1 to 3s, 1 to 2s, 1 to 4s, and being consistent with that. If you're at 2.5% up, set and forget. Don't worry about, closing at 2%. Just go for that 3%. Like, you got to understand this is patience. That's patience and discipline, all right? Takes time. That's why I put experience in it, because it takes experience. And then again, it takes consistency. So doing all 3 of them together. Okay. The market will pay you to be patient. It doesn't pay you to rush in. This is the biggest problem we have, because as workers, right, as people who used to work, so I used to work a job, obviously. People who work a job, the system tells us, right? It's a system. Tells us that the more we do, the more initiative we take, the more we go above and beyond, the more productive we are, the more we get paid, the more we get respected, the more we get promoted, whatever. In the market, it's the complete opposite. The less you do, the more patient you are, the more you sit back and watch and relax, the more we get paid. So, our belief about life in general, about the system, about how we get paid, about how we make money, it's got to change. It's our beliefs that are holding us back from making money in Forex. And Forex is a long-term game. 30 trades for you to understand, or for you to trust the strategy or a strategy. Doesn't really matter what it is. But you're not trying to make money tonight. You're not trying to make money tomorrow. You're trying to make money in the long term. Doesn't matter if you lose, 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, 4 trades in a row. Next week you might have 2 trades back, and that's it. Bang, you made back your money, 2% up. If you want to 3%, if you're doing 1 to 3 risk. Forex is a long-term game. And through experience of one strategy, you learn to trust it. 30 trades. If you guys have done, 10, 20 trades perfect to a strategy, then you are in a position to actually evaluate why you're not losing money. But if you do 20 trades perfectly, I can guarantee you that you might be surprised at what numbers can do, because it's a numbers game. It's not about trying to make money. It's a numbers game. The numbers will always work out. So to finish this video, change your beliefs, change your mindset about Forex, okay? You need to brainwash yourself into being a successful Forex trader. Don't try and make money. Don't try and get rich quick. It's really difficult to. I understand that, because we're human beings. We are, attracted to making money quickly. We don't want to work. We don't want to do this stuff. But Forex is not even really about working hard. It's about, developing those habits that make you successful. Being patient, being disciplined, using it with experience, and being consistent, okay? 2 massive differences. So let me leave you with a quote. Everyone's heard this, something like this, right? The first 100K is always the hardest, and then the first million is inevitable. Right? And the reason why I like this quote is because it's like getting a funded account. But like once you get your first Forex paycheck, it's the hardest thing to do. You have to develop so many, really strong habits, and you have to be really disciplined. But once you get the 100K, once you get that funded account, once you get your first Forex paycheck, you realize, wow, I know how to get there. I've done it. So I trust that system, because the system has made me money once, and I've got money in my back pocket. So I don't really, I'm not really interested in making a lot of money. I feel comfortable now. I got money. I know how to get there, and I've done it, and it's given me results. I've got confidence in my strategy. I trust my strategy. I've actually made money, so there's no doubt in my head. There's no, second doubting or instincts to kick in. I know how to do it, and I've done it. So these people on YouTube that you see successful, okay, even me, like I wasn't, none of us are ever just waking up and making money. It's taken a long time to do it. And once you crack the code, once you realize it's a belief, it's a mindset game, you as a person is the only problem, okay, but you are actually the only solution. Once you understand that, Forex becomes really, really simple. It becomes a really easy game, and you don't have to do a lot to make money. Like I do nothing complicated at all. Like most of you guys might know, I'm sure most of you guys know the exact same information as me. It's just I'm a little bit more experienced. I've been doing it a little bit longer, so I can control my emotions a lot easier. And I understand my beliefs about Forex is different. So look, I hope this, I wanted to make this short and sharp. I don't really see a lot of videos like this on YouTube. So I hope this helped you guys understand, or really just flick something in your head, even if it was something really, really small, why you guys aren't losing. Because I know a lot of people want this. Okay? Why wouldn't you? You're making money from your phone anywhere in the world. It's a really awesome skill to learn, right? But we're getting held back because we're losing. And why are we losing? Because our beliefs and our mindset about Forex is wrong. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and reach out to me if you want any assistance. I'm not famous at all, so reach out. I can help you guys. I enjoy what I do. Besides the charts, I run my business, and I enjoy meeting you guys and speaking with you guys. So look, reach out if you guys need help. But I wish you all, I wish you guys understand this concept I'm trying to tell you, and really work towards achieving it. That's for now, and I'll catch you guys for the next video.